Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna make some Coronation Chicken. Yep, great British classic, which was a little bit of history, created in 1953 for the Queen's coronation. Originally it's done with mayonnaise, chicken, vegetables, apricots. You can just do your own and make your own version. Today I'm going to be doing my own version of Coronation Chicken. I usually make this quite a lot at summer barbecues and family gatherings and that. Everyone loves it. And yeah, let's go. Follow me. And we'll start making some Coronation Chicken. Lovely. Right then, here I'm using little chicken goujons because I never had anything else. But you can usually use a nice couple of pieces of chicken fillets, and you can either cut them up in strips or into little bite-sized pieces. Like I said previously in all my dishes, the choice is yours. It's your dish, so make it your own. So here I am. I'm just slicing them open so it's easier to cook. And here I'm going to make the sauce. I'm using 8 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And here I'm just going to pour in a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And another tablespoon of lemon juice, or you can just basically get a lemon and just squash it up and use the juice. Next we go with the spices. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I used mild curry powder. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. And a tablespoon of cumin. Just give that a good old mix up. Make sure all those spices are mixed in well with the mayonnaise. By the way, you can also use Greek yogurt, but I never had none, so obviously I never used any. But put in a little tub of Greek yogurt, and this will go really, really, really nice. Yeah, make sure those spices are nicely mixed in. Right, here what we're going to do is wrap up the sauce nicely and put it in the fridge. If you can leave it in the fridge overnight, then that'll be even better. All those flavours will be nicely blended in together. If not, just leave it in the fridge for about minimum of 30 minutes to an hour and it's just as good. Right, here we've got the chicken that I chopped up previously, and what I did is actually sprinkled some cumin over it, so when I cook it up it gives it like extra flavour. There you go, there we are, just mixing it all in now and cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes either side. And these are quite small pieces, so they got done quite quickly. And yeah, just cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes either side until they're nice and golden colour. There we are, nicely done there, sizzling away. Absolutely lovely. That's what we like to see. That's what you're looking for. So just place them on one side, let them cool down and rest. And while they're cooling down, we can get ready and start on the next bit. Here we go. I'm not going to teach you all how to chop an onion up. I'm sure you all know how to chop an onion up. Just cut the ends off, and I cut them up in slices, and literally broke the rings up in halves, so they're in like little strips. There we go. Just basically slice them up like that, and each of the rings are basically cut in half, and then stripped them. So they're all, like I said, like they're all in nice little strips like that. There you go, individual strands. That's the word I'm looking for, strands. And then we get the mushrooms, and basically break the mushrooms up in half. You can actually, if you've got the normal mushrooms, you can actually just slice them up. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got a cucumber, chopped off the ends, cut it in half, and basically in slices as well. So they're nice size, nice bite size slices. There we go. Careful with your fingers at this bit. There we are. And in nice strips. There we go. Or strands, but strips sounds better. There we are. Just put them in with the mushrooms. That's all that prepared. So in goes the mushrooms and the cucumber, and give that a little mix up. And also we're gonna add the rice. There you go. Nice bit of rice. We don't need too much rice in there, just enough. So it just put too much rice in it, it'll just overtake the dish, and it'll be rice chicken. We don't want rice chicken. We want Coronation Chicken. So that's it. Look, nicely mixed in, and then we get the chicken. And as we get the chicken, break them up. I broke them up into bite-sized pieces, but you can cut them up into slices. Do what you want. Like I've always said, and I keep saying it, and I keep saying it. It's your dish. Make it your own. And there we go. Nicely chopped up. There we are. We've made another dish. I hope you enjoyed my version of Coronation Chicken. Please like, share, and subscribe. Well, here's the result. Coronation Chicken. It's lovely. Can taste the curry. Chicken's nice and tender.
great dish. Hope you enjoy the video. Let me know the results on how you make it. Excuse me. Remember, make the dish your own and enjoy. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Bye.